Good morning, everyone. I'm just getting up and I can see the sun is almost peeking out, and it's going to be a good sailing day today as well. But first things first, coffee. So the plan of today is to sail over to Flekkerøy. It is not a lot of wind, so I'm suspecting I'm gonna be motoring most of the time, but we'll see when we get out there. Maybe I go out on the outside, maybe I go on the inside, who knows, we'll see. The weather is not raining at least, but it's not sunshine either, so I need a lot of clothes for this trip. I think we'll maybe, or maybe I won't, who knows. Just left the dock and there's no wind at all, but there's still a little bit of swell going over this little fjord.
Anyone you say, anywhere.
The sun came out, but the wind completely died off, and there is nothing of wind here. So my sails are back down, but motoring out, maybe I can get some wind, maybe the 10 last minutes, but it doesn't look like it. So I'll be enjoying the sun. Oh, I'm gonna lose the t-shirt as well. Made it back onto the dock. Now it's just to clean up the cabin from all the snacks I've been eating, and then go spend some time with the family, and then I'll see if I go by the shop today to get the things needed to fix the heater, or if I do it tomorrow. We'll see. Anyway, I'm gonna log off for today and say peace out.